Welcome back to Blind Man Morris, and what can you buy from a Morris specific auto jumble for £10? It's not like we're financially challenged, but we are a bit tight. So let's see what goodies we bought for a tenner.
You can't get in the bag.
I can't get in the bag, hang on. Fan blade.
Oh, talk about that.
We could do, I'm going to get it away. Oil catch can.
Yep.
Trafficator switch. Remote brake reservoir. Front driver's side door handle and key. 2 Lucas Trafficator lenses with chrome tops. 1 ignition barrel in good condition, and the serial number's there so you can buy the key for it. So why did we spend a massive amount of £10 on these items? So basically we were looking for spares to drop into the workshop here, and we needed a couple of replacement parts, some of which do not exist anymore, or you can only buy them second hand. So something like this door handle, not the handle itself, but this piece here, which is the bit we were looking for, because the one on our Series 2, this piece here, is actually worn away and is exposed. So I needed that plate, but actually it was just cheaper to get the whole thing, and it'd be easy to fit like that. Oil catch can, you can't buy these anymore, you can only get them second hand, and this one's actually, you can't see in there, but it's got the membrane in there. And we've got 2 cars with these oil catch cans on, so we bought that, future proofing. Don't need to bugger about with the old oil catch cans, just swap them straight over. The membrane in there is really good, probably do with a bit of a paint and tidy up, but other than that, good to go.
So they're normally 948s, aren't they?
No.
Can you get one later?
Lawrence has got one.
Oh, Lawrence with 109, it's got it as well.
Yeah.
Well, there we go.
Remote brake reservoir, just got as a spare.
Well, the other thing is that the new ones you get for those kits are not very good.
They're not.
And that's a much older one.
It's an older one, and actually the joint at the bottom here is better.
Yeah.
So we like that. Spare fan blade, always useful if I want to double up a fan for cooling in the summer. So they're usually quite expensive.
They scrub up easily as well,
They're
those.
easy to
We
look
give them a bit of a
after.
sand and a paint.
Ignition barrel, always useful. I'll have a spare. As you can see, the mini wiring loom coming off the back there is in good nick, so it won't need a lot of work to get that sorted out. And you can see the serial number on there to order a couple of spare keys.
You have tested that as well, haven't you, and that works?
Yeah, that's worked. Original Lucas Trafficator lenses with tops. Now, back in the day when you indicated in your car in town and there were a lot of cyclists around, it was very common for these to get hit by a cyclist as they were whizzing past and snap the arm off. Now, we got a Series 2 and these fit perfectly, so we got a spare set to go on, because otherwise I think, can't remember, you found out how much they were replacement, didn't you? About 20 quid for the lot, wasn't it? For each side? Or is it more?
I think you could buy the pieces separately. So I saw somebody online who had the chrome bits on the top. I think they were about a tenner each.
Yeah.
And then the lenses are about
8 quid.
I think there might be more than that actually.
Anyway.
So yeah.
Yeah, so they were pleased with those. So there you go. In spares. And
But when you buy those, if you're doing the same as us, you do get them where they break. So you have got to look at them all the way up and down. Make sure they haven't broken.
yeah, especially actually this bit at the end.
Yeah.
If you have a look, that piece there, which is the piece that fits into the unit, that's the bit that always breaks. So you usually see this front piece here from that bit forward, and you want to make sure there's no cracks in it, and that hole there is not completely mullered where the little retaining screw goes in. And last but not least, and the finest find, is the self-cancelling Trafficator switch. Very rare, these. Do see them occasionally. They're around 130 quid for a replacement, I think, if I remember rightly. The duck bill itself is worth quite a lot of money, and yeah, and this one works. I've got to do some work on it.
So what it would normally do is it would self-cancel, so it would go back to its off position.
Yeah, so
naturally.
inside this unit is a little leather bellow, and there's an air valve there with a piece of cloth, like felt padding in there, with a bit of Vaseline on it, and you Vaseline the little leather bellow, which sits in a little cylinder. And when you turn this, it pushes the bellow up, and you can adjust the length of time it takes for the Trafficator to go off by adjusting the amount of air that's allowed into the chamber. So it'll flick on and off. So you just turn it on, and then it'll flick off, turn it on and flick off, and you can count that. It's usually about 5 to 6 seconds for self-cancelling. And I think that was the find of the day, that one. Because that was the one that was on Libby, but Libby's I did restore, and I was refitting it, and the Bakelite was so sensitive. When I fitted it under the dash, it disintegrated. It was really sad. But that might, I don't know, when I've tested it, it does work. It just needs a clean, really, and then readjusting. So that was the find of the day. And there we go. That's what you can buy for a tenner if, you know, you're careful and you're buying stuff you actually want rather than buying a load of rust that nobody wants.
So the thing is to look for things that are better when they were original.
Old new stock stuff.
Yeah, rather than the more recent replacements for
parts,
it. Or stuff that's really difficult to get hold of or really expensive to get hold of.
Yeah.
That's the thing to do, isn't it?
Like this, and the lenses, and the old catch can. Yeah, and the ignition. Yeah, all of it really. That's why we bought those particular items for us, you know. So they'll go in the workshop cupboard, and maybe they'll come out one day, maybe not. Hopefully I won't need any of it, but there you go, they're ready to go. See you next time.